What's up, guys? Welcome back. Dragon Ball today. Grand Priest True Form. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'm on the landscape page. Use a pencil eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. So we start with the eyes, and we'll do the frown sort of in the middle, right? And it's kind of like this square sort of frown just here in the middle of his forehead. Right, like a W sort of shape. And then out from there, there's actually a bit of a gap, right? So we'll go here, and then we'll tick the eyebrow. And they're not like Goku or Vegeta's eyebrows. They're kind of skinnier. We just do this kind of check mark or a tick up to here, right? And they are quite thin, right? So we'll go back down and kind of curl up here. The same thing on the other side, line like so, and then this sort of check mark up to the back and down. Like that. So then, eyes. So we go out from here. Right, they're kind of normal Dragon Ball eyes, but they're just a bit more angled, right? And it kind of hooks down. And then same on this side. So you got the small line here. And then we join this together. And around his eyes, it's quite a thick line. So you can sort of thicken this up a bit. And just make it a bit darker than the rest. Okay. And then his iris and his pupil, just a big semicircle just coming down from the top of his eye. And then his iris, or his pupil, should I say, just here, colored in black. Okay, we do the same thing on the other side. So we'll go across, down, and then with the small line, in this way actually, angled in towards his nose, and then we'll go back like that, right? And I'm just going to thicken this up a little bit more. Right, and his iris circle just coming around here, and his pupil just there. Okay. So then he has some like frown lines just here. And his nose. So his nose is different to other Dragon Ball noses, the way this one is done. So we just do like a line sort of left to center, just there. And then there's just like a V underneath, like that. And then his mouth real close to his nose, so it just goes flat across at first. We're going to make him smiling, right? So we're going to go up like that. And then a smile line just there. A little bit of a smile on this side. Like so. And then we got some like hatching just underneath his bottom lip. And then we got the cheek marks. Right in his chin, just here, relatively square chin, like so. So coming from here, then we do his jaw, and you're kind of aiming for, see, like the corner of his eye and across from his mouth. So this space for the jaw. See, underneath the edge of the eye and kind of across from the mouth, right? So you'll go. Just about there. Same over this side. Right? Roughly there, because that's where you turn. So you change direction, so you go up. like that. So then he's got like some sideburns just here. And his ears come out from the top. Around like that. Ear comes out here. Around into there. And then some ear lines just inside. So like lots of different ways of doing this now. This is the way it is in the picture, so no one really looks at the ears anyway, so don't worry too much about it. Right, and then this comes around and his hairline goes in, down to about there. Same thing on this side, diagonal in, down towards the middle of his forehead. And these don't join together. What he's done is he's drawn in just some hair here. Like this, kind of just texture lines just to show his hairline there. Then he has that triangle in the middle of his forehead, curved line down towards the middle of his face, like that. And then hair, so it's not like big crazy Dragon Ball hair. It's kind of short, I guess. So we go spiking out in. So you're starting with small spikes behind the ears first. Right, and then they gradually start to get bigger as we go up to there, down like that. Another one coming out from the front here. Like so. There, and then another one in the middle. And this goes up, down, down to there. And you just add texture lines all over. So you just follow each shape, basically. Right, you can add as much of those as you want, but I think that's enough for me. So then, anatomy and body and stuff. So neck, real wide neck, comes out from his ears. Curving out like that. Muscles inside, from his jaw, down towards the center of his chest, right? So center of your chest then is just here. It's just a center line, like that. And then another neck muscle line there. Like some hatching just for Adam's apple. So top of his chest then comes out like that. This will go around, back in, down. Real square sort of chest like that. And then nipples. And then we'll build the rest of his anatomy off this. So we've got like, right, big chest muscles. So his trapezius then joins his shoulders to his neck. So curving down there. Curving down there, and then there's like some hatching just here. Shoulders come out. So shoulder muscle line. Like that, and then another one out the back, down like so. Then it connects into your armpit, you know, your shoulder. You can feel it yourself, the way your pec joins your shoulder in underneath your armpit. And then this goes around, like so. Another one, and then there. And his bicep goes down this way. Again, your bicep joins in under at the armpit as well, just in under here. And then trapezius, or tricep, sorry. Bicep, tricep, bicep line. And then like maybe we can see a little bit of some abs and some ribs and stuff just going that way. Like so. And oh, he's another triangle just here, bumping across his chest now, following the curvature of his muscles, right? So he has these symbols around the back of him, and then like a bit of an aura. We'll give him a bit of an aura, maybe. So coming down this way, right? We've got a circle. It's not a perfect circle, so it's kind of easier to draw. There's like this halo in behind him. And it goes up, right? And you meet a spike going out here, I think. So same on this side, right? So this will go that way, but it meets like another ring. So this goes up around. So around to there, and then this goes up. There's more up above there, but I can't really fit it in. So then this has another ring that goes down this way. Right. And it gets kind of narrower. Like that, something like this. Okay, and then up there. I think there's like another spike that comes in here. And then another hook, sort of another circular line. And this spike goes off, goes to a spike out there somewhere. And comes down here. Same on this side. Comes to like a spike off my page. That goes down to there. And there's all like bright colors and stuff around. I won't draw them in, but you could draw an aura if you wanted. But you could. It's probably best to do it with color because it doesn't seem like there's like an aura drawn around them or anything. It's just like all these bright colors and stuff. So there he is, Grand Priest, true form. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.